Everybody has pushed me so hard from inside and outside the club to be the best version of myself, and these guys, everybody we see on the screen and these guys in front of me, they've made me so much better than I was before, and it's been an absolute honor to play with these guys. I've made so many friends for life, and you know, we all together. We'll be back for sure soon, whenever. No, like I said, with joy. You know, this team tries to entertain people and win. This team works incredible hard, everybody behind the scenes and on the pitch. And this team want to win. They will win in the future with me or without me. And I know everybody in the city and these supporters will be behind the team like they've done with me in the last 10 years. And this team will have more success, that's for sure. You just want to do well and win. And then when you win, you want to win more and you want to push the city. And, you know, we have had 5-6 parades. That's been incredible, you know, to witness everything that goes around in the city, and with all the moments with these teammates, there's too many to count. It's been an absolute pleasure. No, they've been so welcome from the beginning, and then I don't know how to explain it, to have almost a full stadium. You know, supporting my family and me says everything. Who can have 50,000 people just waiting for you to say goodbye? You know, it's undescribable, and thank you very much. You know, it means I will always be part of this club, and I've always represent a small piece of that. And, you know, whenever I come back with these guys and with family and friends, I will able to, see myself standing around the stadium. So I'll always be here.